All right, it's Tuesday math time. So yesterday, you remember that we did some addition problems, and today you're going to be doing all subtraction problems. So in your bag, you'll have another sheet, and look for my first two examples that we're going to do together right now, and get it out. And if you need to pause the video, you can pause the video, go find yours, so then we can do the first two together, and I can show you what I'm looking for and having what I'm looking for you to do when we do this. Okay? All right, so the first problem is Mr. Town had 8 slices of pizza. He ate 3 of them. How many does he have now? I'll say it again. Mr. Town has 8 slices of pizza. He ate 3 of them, which means they're gone now. They left, so we're subtracting. And we're trying to figure out how many he has once he ate 3 of them. Don't forget our equal sign, because if we don't put our equal sign in there, it doesn't make sense. So, again, I like to use pictures. I'm not going to draw actual slices of pizza. That would just take a really long time. But pizzas are a triangle shape, so I can draw some triangles. He had 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And he ate 3 of them. So I'm going to cross out 3. 1, 2, 3. And I can figure out how many I still have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my number sentence is 8 take away 3 is 5. Okay? So let's do the next one. Here we go. Mrs. Pittman had 10 Diet Cokes. We know I love my Diet Coke. I drank 2 of them. How many do I have now? I'm going to say it again so you can get a chance to write down your number sentence. Mrs. Pittman had 10 Diet Cokes. I drank 2 of them. How many do I have now? Okay. So I started with how many? 10. And I drank some, which means they're going away. We're subtracting. We're minusing. I drank how many? 2. And how many do I have left? So when you have 10, sometimes it's nice to use your fingers, because how many fingers do you have? 10. You don't even have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can just hold up 10. And I drank 2 of them. So you can put both your thumbs down, or you could put a thumb and a pinky down and figure out how many you have left. I'm going to put both my thumbs down. I have 4 on this hand and 4 on this hand. So I still have 8 left. Sometimes using your finger helps. Sometimes drawing pictures. Sometimes you might just know it in your head, or you can count backwards too. If I had 10 and I counted backwards too, 9, 8, that's another way that I could get the answer. Okay? So today we did the first 2 problems together. You have 6 left to do on your sheet. So you will probably need a brother or sister or grown-up to read you these problems. So if you can have somebody help you right now, that's awesome. If you don't have anybody with you right now, that's okay. You can find a time to do this later, okay? Now, that's one of your stations. Your other station for math today is going to be playing a game called Connect 4. So we have played Connect 4 before in class, but you might have forgotten. You need a Connect 4 game board. It looks like this. And at the top it says Connect 4. You'll also need 2 dice, and you'll need a partner. Remember from yesterday, just like yesterday, it could be a mom or dad, but they could be working. So it could be a brother or sister. They could be making you angry or doing their own schoolwork. So then you can play with a stuffed animal. Remember, Cam loves to play with his stuffed animal koala. So find a partner, get your 2 dice out, and you need something to use as markers. So we've used our little bears before. We've used our colored squares. You could use change if you have money around. You could use Lego pieces, but you're gonna need them to cover it up. And you need one color of something. So maybe if I'm playing, I would use pennies, and my partner could use silver coins, like a nickel, a dime, a quarter. Or maybe I would use blue Legos, and my partner would use green Legos. Lots of different things you could use around your house, okay? See if you can find something, okay? So you roll the dice, and you add the two numbers together. So if I rolled a 6 and a 6, 6 and 6 is 12. So I would find my color. I'm going to do blue Legos, and I would cover up a 12, okay? Then your partner would roll, and they would add them up and cover up whatever number they got. And you want to cover up 4 in a row. Remember, you can block people. Sometimes that's really nice. If you can block somebody from getting their 4 in a row, if they have 3 in a row and you get in their way. But you can't bump anybody. This is not boo bump. Once somebody's on the board, it's on the board. So there could be a time where you have like a cats game where nobody wins. But I'd like you to play 2 games of Connect 4. If you have time, you can play more. If you only have time for 1, that's okay too. But your goal would maybe be to try and find time to play 2 games today. Okay? Happy Tuesday. See you guys later.